Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create stunning videos for YouTube, Instagram, or your business without needing complicated software like Premiere Pro, CapCut? In this video, I will give you a full beginner-friendly guide to Canvas video editor in 2025. It's easier than you think and super powerful. To start, go to the Canva homepage and type video or go to the video section, choose a format like YouTube video for landscape, mobile video for your Facebook content, then Instagram story. So choose one from here. Like for this tutorial, I will choose the video section like landscape. This gives you the perfect canvas size with built-in video tools. Okay. Once you are in, you can upload your own video clips or use Canva's massive stock library. Just drag and drop to the timeline. So from your dashboard, you can see the Elements tab. Now, search for video. Now you will see the B-roll like this. So I'll choose that clip and play the video. It's smooth, so cool. Now, again, if needed again a video clip, just drag onto your canvas like this. Just click plus icon and drag into here like that. Then rearrange clips easily. You can trim by dragging the edges or click the split button. Click the edit button. Then choose the specific footage. Then click the split page. Now choose that and delete. Then click edit again. You will see the filters option, then see all. Choose the color like that. So easy. Now click the text tab to add headings, subtitles, or captions. You can choose from stylish templates or type your own. Just click add text box. Now write your headings here like that. Come. Then choose all, go to fonts tab, then choose a font, then resize the text like this and drag on to center, then change the color, add some shadow. From here click edit. Now we'll choose the color or click the plus icon and adjust like this. Wait a minute, select all. Now click the plus icon and choose one like this and play the video. The text is added. You will change the text after 2 seconds. Then copy the text and paste it here. Drag onto here. Then type another text. This school. So now go to audio section from the left side bar. Go to elements tab. Now go to audio tab. See, then click see all and search for like piano tune and play the video from here. And choose one from here. And now go to the volume section, then adjust it. Now go to animation tab. You'll set a animation from here. Just click one for text and click the three dot icon. Then click transition. Then choose one from here. And now play the video. Add a smooth transition video in senses like this. Want motion, animate photos, icons, or text individually, or apply a full side animation? You can spice up your video using stickers, shapes, emojis, or callouts from the Elements tab. Go to Elements tab and search for like and subscribe. Then choose one from here like this and drag onto your canvas. And play the video. That's good. These are perfect for YouTubers and social media creators. Before exporting, preview your video to make sure clips, voice, music, and effects are synced. So, bonus tip, if you want to add your voice, just click the Uploads tab, then click Record Yourself, or go to Audio, then click Record Yourself. Now click the record button, then speak. Then click Save and Exit. Then add here like this. So that's it. All done. Click the Share button. Go to Downloads tab. Choose the MP4 video. Select resolution. And select your quality like 11080p. Works great for YouTube. You can even publish straight to your YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook page from Canva. And that's it. You have just created a fully video. You just created a full video using only Canva. Whether it's for YouTube, your brand, or social media, Canva makes it fast, easy, and fun. So, if you found this helpful, Hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and comment below what kind of videos are you creating. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.